Hi. So today's design will be, you can see this small flower pot like wall or anywhere you can maybe hang or use nail or support somewhere like a wall flower pot or plant pot is there. Very small compact shape. So this will be our reference for our design. And yes, from now onwards, any design or any image that I'm using for reference, I'll be attaching the designers, if available, of course. Some designers information is not available, who has posted or who has made the design. But yes, I'll try to attach their details also, so you can, if you feel like you can support them also. Support designers, support creators. That is a good thing. So whoever work, if I take some inspiration also, take some features from anyone also, I'll try to include their links or where they have posted the designs and okay. Okay, fine. So today's this is our reference image. I'll start. Uh, uh, Minimalistic, a simple design, not too complex. So this is a simple design and not that complex. We'll try to keep as much less time as possible. I'll take and try to create. Of course, we'll add some of our own features, own shapes. Okay, so I shall start. So basically, before starting, you see the design is more or less like a different shapes they have created. You can see rectangular, square. Okay, I'll go for the simpler one. Okay, you can see here square shape is there, and then the slot shape pocket is there for the plant you can put in. Okay, so yeah, so this is one purpose. Of course, this can be used maybe as a wall pocket for storing any items or anything. So multi-purpose you can use it for. Fine, I'll start then. So yeah, I'll go for front plane sketch and then I'll create like this. I'll give some size approximately say 12, 120 mm suppose 120 this side, 120 this side. Okay, fillet and all we'll give later, so I'll just go for extrude and give some thickness there. Around a cm will be fine, 1.5 maybe, 10, 12. I think around 10 will be okay. Done. Now, okay, then the pocket. Okay, the back portion you have got simple. Okay, the back portion you have got. Now going for the pocket area. Pocket area, I'll try to give a slightly different shape. I'll sketch from the bottom and give there a hexagonal shape suppose. Like this. Okay, so done. I'll keep this slightly smaller so that there will be enough space for the holes. You can see here certain holes are there for attachment. So fine. 0. uh, Done. Now this should be okay. So trim. Done. Extrude. Reverse. And you can see at the top it is slightly inclined. Okay, you can see here slightly it is inclined. It is not fully flat. Okay, here also you can see it is slightly inclined and in line with the top. Okay, so we will also try to create the same. Okay. I think it is okay. Now I'll just go for reverse and maybe around 1.2, yeah, it will be 8 mm, 0.8. Keep it 10 only. 7. That is okay. Keep this in line. So trim here, done. Okay. But see, the cutout should not be from the bottom. So I'll create a plane at a distance of again 10. On that plane, we will just invert. That's it. Extrude cut and cut out. Okay. Done. Now you can see in the reference image, it is slightly inclined. You can see here. Okay, slightly inclined. So here also what I will do, I'll go here, sketch, Control 7, sketch, yeah. And I'll go for, okay, I'll hide the planes to make it visible like this. Okay, and we are removing material now this way. Done. Okay, now what I'll do, uh, what's the sketch opposite? Let's see. Done. Okay, I will hide the sketch. Done. Okay. Now going for the smooth edges. Okay, here also they have kept almost like sharp. You can see very minute fillet is there. In ours also I'll try to give fillet smaller. Okay, and this outer area I'll try to increase little bit. Done. So now we have a little bit more space. Okay, and what I will do, some, okay, done. So thickness, I'll try to give a smaller. They have kept, see, you can see here, they have kept more thickness here, almost equal or more thickness here. You can see here, this thickness and this thickness, almost more or less same. They have kept. So I have also kept same only. Rather, our design slightly okay. This cutout, I'll try to keep inline here. Okay. So for that, so you can see here the line is inside. Okay. So I'll try to keep this line till here like this, and then I'll just extend here and here, trim, 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 should be okay. Now fine. Okay, so now I'll go for fillet again and apply some minute fillet there, because in that their design also they have kept very small fillet. Okay, so this should be enough. Again, one more fillet here, fillet here, done. We have kept square, but I'll try to make this one slightly bigger so that I have enough more space for the uh, holes, okay, for the attachment area, this holes, okay. So I think almost done. Okay, now going for again fillet. Now just we need to provide smooth edges. That's all. Very small fillet, 0.2, 0.5. Done. Okay, so I have provided smooth edges on all sides. Okay. Now here go for a hole. Okay. I'm not using hole option in the various software we have. Some software has hole options. I'm not using hole here. Simple to understand. I'm just using a cut. Okay. So extrude cut. Okay. If you're using parametric software or anything, there are provision for uh, hole, different kind of holes you can create. Okay. But here I'm not going for any kind of hole tool. I'm using just a normal cut there. Okay. And the same cut I will just do on all the sides. Done. Now the same cut I need to provide on the bottom. Done. And now one more hole has to be there. Some this is called in technical terms it is called counter bore. Okay. So for the nail or something, this we can keep very small there. Depending on the type of screw diameter you're using. Okay. Based on that, you can keep your diameter of cut there. Okay. Here also I'll give some small, minute, very minute fillet, 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.1, and 0 0.1. Then inside you can maybe leave or whatever you want you can do. Okay. Those inner features, no issue. Especially the parts you are holding in hand, those should be smooth. Okay. No sharp edges should be there. Okay. So you have got your product here. Simple, not too complex. Okay. The curve here, I'll try to make this curve slightly more downwards, like this. Okay. Depends on your requirement. Okay. Depends on your requirement how much you want to keep. Okay. So done. Simple product, not too complex. Okay. I'll keep simple design more. I have seen the response recently, and I saw uh, a- recently bottle designs were seen more. People watched that those kind of designs more than the vacuum cleaner design I had done. So based on that, I'll try to create things which people are wanting to see more or invest time in those things. So yes, I'll put those kind of things. Okay. Then yes, of course, if anyone requests or maybe I can provide something different, I'll try to provide any other designs. Okay. So yes, slightly different I tried to bring today. Okay. So this is one kind of design and you have got your own here. Okay. Now, okay, I have done from the bottom. Okay, you can see here they have done at a height. You can see it is not fully full in length. You can see here also it is not fully touching the bottom. Okay, so that also you can do maybe in another video or something. I'll try to do. Okay, so this will be your design. Thank you. Okay, I'll be again coming soon with some other design. Bye then. Thank you. Try. Okay, and try on your own, maybe a different design or your own shape requirement. You can get designs done. Okay. Nowadays everyone has a system, I think. So yes, you can try. Fine. Thank you.